Dr. Fauci's here. Maybe I could ask Tony to say a few words before.
He's become a household name in the COVID-19 pandemic as America's senior infectious disease expert. And Anthony Fauci is determined to stay above the political fray.
I give advice according to the best scientific evidence.
But that advice is dividing an already polarized country. Pew Research found trust in medical scientists has splintered along partisan lines. 53% of Democrats have confidence in them against 31% of Republicans.
The typical Democrat is further apart than ever from the typical Republican on their views about different issues. And what's striking about trust in medical scientists is it wasn't an area where we saw a political divide before.
And some health experts think President Trump is adding to a distrust of medical science by at times contradicting Dr. Fauci. He even took the anti-malaria drug hydroxychloroquine.
Good things have come out about the hydroxy. A lot of good things have come out.
Even though the World Health Organization says it isn't a proven treatment for coronavirus.
Trump also suggested injecting disinfectant as a potential treatment, though later said he was joking after disinfectant manufacturers rushed to warn the public about the dangers. The White House says President Trump always listens to scientific advice, demonstrated by his shutting down the US economy.
Yet COVID-19 appears to have been less polarizing in another country with a populist right-wing government. Brexit split the United Kingdom in half. But Britons have coalesced around weekly applause for health workers, while a poll early in the pandemic found nearly 2/3 of people supported the idea of a government of national unity. So, after a shared crisis unprecedented in the modern era, can Americans bridge their own divides?
We asked people about their expectations for new treatments for COVID-19, and the expectation of vaccine is coming within a year. We see large majorities saying both of those are going to happen, and of course that's among both Democrats and Republicans.
Even so, the presidential election conventions look likely to amplify divisions. Joe Biden will become the Democratic nominee in what's expected to be a largely virtual convention to reduce health risks. While President Trump is threatening to move the Republican convention from North Carolina if authorities there insist on social distancing to another venue that will allow the kinds of crowds that witnessed his nomination in 2016. Owen Fairclough, CGTN, Washington.